Your credit score is costing you thousands of dollars right now. And most people have no idea how much. That 3-digit number quietly negotiates your mortgage rate, your insurance premium, even your ability to rent the right apartment. Today, you're going to learn exactly how to fix it. Step by step, no fluff, no nonsense. By the end, you'll know what's destroying your score, how to stop it, and a 12-month plan you can follow to reach 750 or better. Let's get into it. First, here's what should make you sit up. The average Canadian credit score is 672. That's not terrible, but it's not great either. The difference between 672 and 750 could save you hundreds of dollars every month on a mortgage. On a $500,000 home, paying 3 to 5% more on your mortgage just because of 3 digits can cost you roughly $25,000 extra over time. That's real money. So this isn't just vanity, it's financial strategy. Step 1. Understand what is actually destroying your score. Most people assume a missed payment is the worst sin. It's not. The #1 killer of Canadian credit scores is credit utilization. How much of your available credit you're using. Imagine your credit limit as a gas tank. If it's nearly empty, you're fine. If it's almost full, the lender thinks you're running on fumes. Here's the rule nobody tells you. Never use more than 30% of your credit limit. Ever. If your card limit is $5,000, don't carry a balance above $1,500. Not $2,000, not $3,000, $1,500 max. Using 80% signals desperation to the bureaus, even if you pay it off every month. Why? Because they take a snapshot of your balance on or near your statement date. If that snapshot shows high balances, your score drops. The fix is simple and immediate. Either pay down your balance before the statement date, not the due date, or call your bank and request a credit limit increase without spending more. Both strategies instantly lower your utilization percentage. Small timing changes, big results. Step 2. Payment history is everything, and most Canadians are sabotaging it without knowing. Payment history makes up roughly 35% of your credit score in Canada. It's the single biggest factor. One missed payment can drop your score by 50 to 100 points overnight, and it stays on your record for 6 years. Here's the crucial detail. A payment isn't reported as late until it's 30 days past due. So if you forgot to pay yesterday, pay it today. It hasn't hit your report yet. That little window is your emergency buffer. The permanent fix is both boring and brilliant. Set up automatic minimum payments on every account right now. Not tomorrow. Today. Automatic payments protect you from the one mistake that can destroy 6 years of work. You can always pay more than the minimum, but the auto pay stops late reports. Do it for all credit cards, lines of credit, and loans. Step 3. Your credit age is silently working against you. The age of your credit accounts matters. This is called credit history length, and it represents about 15% of your score. Longer accounts suggest stability. That means one of the most dangerous things you can do is close an old credit card. Closing it wipes out years of history and can reduce your score. The fix? Keep your oldest card open. Use it once every 3 months for a small purchase, coffee, groceries, whatever, and pay it off immediately. That tiny activity keeps the account active and preserves that valuable age on your report. If the card has an annual fee that's truly not worth it, consider downgrading it to a no-fee version rather than closing it outright. Step 4. Stop applying for credit like it's free. Every time you apply for a credit card, loan, or line of credit in Canada, the lender does a hard inquiry. Each hard inquiry can drop your score by 5 to 10 points. Apply for 3 credit cards in 1 month, and your score could be 30 points lower before you even use them. The fix is patience. Only apply for new credit when you absolutely need it. Space applications at least 6 months apart. If you're shopping for a mortgage, do all your rate comparisons within a 14-day window. Credit bureaus treat multiple mortgage inquiries in that period as a single inquiry, which reduces the damage. Step 5. The secret weapon most Canadians never use. If you have little or damaged credit, a secured credit card is your fastest, most reliable rebuild tool. You deposit $500 to $1,000 with the bank as collateral. They give you a card with that exact limit. Use it for small purchases every month and pay it off in full. The bank reports that perfect payment history to the credit bureaus, and your score starts climbing. This is the fastest legitimate way to build credit from scratch or rebuild after bankruptcy in Canada. Stay disciplined. Low limit, small purchases, full monthly payments, and you'll see momentum in a matter of months. Step 6. Check your credit report for errors and fix them. This one can make your blood boil. Studies show over 40% of Canadian credit reports contain errors. Wrong accounts, incorrect balances, late payments that weren't late, or accounts that don't belong to you. These errors can silently destroy your score. You are legally entitled to a free credit report from both Equifax and TransUnion every year. Request yours right now. If you find an error, dispute it immediately in writing. The Bureau must investigate within 30 days. If they can't verify the information, they must remove it. One successful dispute can boost your score by 20 to 50 points overnight. That's the fastest free credit bump available. Step 7. The 12-month plan that actually gets you to 750. This is the practical timeline. Do everything I just described starting today. And this is what happens. Months 1 to 3. Set up automatic payments. Reduce utilization below 30%. Request your free credit reports and dispute errors. Expect a 20-50 point improvement if you catch and fix issues and reduce utilization quickly. Months 3 to 6. Keep all accounts paid on time. Maintain utilization below 30%. Open a secured card if you need to build or rebuild history. Stop unnecessary credit applications. Expect an additional 30 to 50 point gain as payment history and lower utilization compound. Months 6-12. Your credit history is aging, payment history is stacking up, utilization remains controlled, and hard inquiries are fading. Expect an additional 30 to 60 points during this period. Total expected improvement in 12 months, 80 to 160 points. So if you start at 580, you could land between 680 and 740. If you start at 620, you could be 720 to 780. That gap is the difference between getting rejected for a mortgage and getting approved. Between paying 5% interest and 3% interest. Real-life money that changes what homes you can afford and how quickly you build wealth. Practical examples and quick wins. Example, mortgage math. Shaving 2% off your mortgage rate on a $500,000 home could save you tens of thousands over the life of the loan. Use the calculator at MyCalcHub.ca to see exact savings for your scenario. Quick win. If your statement date is the 20th, make your payment on the 15th each month. That small timing shift keeps your reported balance low and your utilization in check. Quick win. Set one recurring $5 purchase on your oldest card month to month, just to keep it active. Final thoughts. This is less about credit voyeurism and more about financial leverage. Your credit score isn't just a number. It's the price you pay for almost every major financial decision. Fixing it is mostly behavioral. Timing your payments, tracking utilization, keeping old accounts open, being patient with credit applications, using secured credit when needed, and checking your report for errors. Start today. Set up automatic payments. Reduce utilization under 30% by paying before your statement. Request both free credit reports and dispute errors. If you have bad or no history, open a secured card and use it responsibly. Space out new credit applications and shop mortgage rates within a 14-day window. If you want to see exactly how much a better credit score could save you on a mortgage, calculate it at MyCalcHub.ca. It's free and built specifically for Canadians. No sign-up required. Link is in the description. You now have a clear, practical roadmap. Follow it for 12 months and you'll likely see dramatic improvements. More buying power, lower interest costs, and simpler financial choices. Fix your credit and you'll be surprised how much easier everything else becomes. Build wealth. Live free.